Hey, that's new. And that's not an insignificant amount of oil. Awesome. I better get a pan under it. Welcome to another beautiful morning out here at the River House. I really thought winter had finally arrived in, central western Montana. But there's snow to the north and there's snow to the south. Snow to the east. There's no snow here. It's kind of a crappy day. I got a little sleet coming down, but it is above freezing, which is all I need for my purposes. We're going to go up on top, and I'm going to hopefully clean off that last corner, thus exposing the entire upper foundation wall zone. And then I hope to map it, snap it, and then start cutting so that we can begin building our key. We're going to key the foundation into the rock. So that's the goal. I think in order to clean that corner off, I just have it's not quite Egyptian pyramid level amount of work to accomplish today, but it's also not like nothing. But we'll get her done. Fingers crossed the backhoe starts. The battery was a little weak, but yeah, I think we'll be good to go, and we'll get that line drawn. I've got some of that red permanent chalk. I got a leaf blower with me in case I need to dry the rock to snap it. Hopefully it doesn't start raining too much. Does red chalk leave a mark in the rain? I don't know. I guess we'll find out together. Okay, it just took 3 tries to get the pickup up the hill in 4-wheel drive. So, here's hoping I can get the backhoe up the hill. I really need to fix the driveway. Well, I was successful in getting it up the hill, but I'm not successful in crossing that spot. I cannot get across right there because the hoe is too heavy, and there's just no traction on the front wheels. I'm going to try cleaning off that section of rock. Ooh, train. Cleaning off that section of rock, and who knows, maybe even washing it down in the hopes that I can find a little traction, though I suspect all I'm going to end up doing is dragging more mud with my front wheels. So. But that would be a long ways to carry everything in a 5-gallon bucket. So I'd prefer not to do that. There we go. That corner is cleaned out. So I can continue my line across. Alright, I'm going to fire up the water system. I just barely get water pressure, but I got new hoses and they're bigger diameter, and I'm hoping I can squeak a little extra. But I'm going to fire up the water system, and I'm going to get this hosed off so that it can start drying, because I need to snap that chalk line, and I think this stuff has to be clean or it's not going to stick. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And then while that's drying, I can work the machine in and you know, because all that's got to be cleaned off too, but I can work the machine in and work on that. One bucket load at a time. Alright, I have been at this for hours. I stopped filming because it's all basically the same. But I have successfully grid patterned from here down through into here. I wasn't able to mark that particularly well, and then all the way out through there. The original plan involved jackhammering and whatnot, but the original plan did not come to fruition. So I'm just sort of filming the wrap up here while I've got a little bit of light. I gotta put the saw away, and I might spend some time washing off the rocks just to make life better, but yeah, it's pretty good. I should have an awful lot to jackhammer tomorrow. It was a long day, but we got a lot done. I'm pleased. I'm pleased. Day 2. Got all the lines cut, at least for right now, and I've brought the beast out, and we're gonna find out just how well my fillings are attached, because we're gonna get out here and jackhammer the crap out of this, and with luck it'll break. Here's my progress, and there was some mistaken layout lines and things got a little crazy, but here's the trench. So the foundation wall will sit right about there, and we'll have 4 inches to the outside, 15 to the inside, and it'll be keyed in. I'll need to go one more deeper, but I don't believe I actually have to go full width one more deeper. I think if I came in and took a nice 8-inch wide key sort of right out of the center of the thing and broke that out, then you'd have a double step. But this will stop it. In addition to the pins I'm going to put in, but this will stop it from, at least the upper walls, from wanting to slide. So I'll have to go, and keying some of this might be hard, but I'm very sure if I got the flats and I got a bit of it cut into here and whatnot, complete with the pins, we're going to be okay. She ain't going to go anywhere. That is that section of rock that was so brutally hard. And now that it's clean, you can see why it's made up of, for whatever reason, this chunk right through here, rather than laying flat like everything else, they're all laying vertically. All the cleavage points are vertical, which is why I couldn't lift it, because when it split, it wanted to go to the sides, and of course it can't go to the sides because these massive buttresses of rock. And then out in here it stops again. It's just this ridge right in through here, wraps around. That's the one ridge I just couldn't break it. So there we go. It don't have to be perfect. Just get my concrete, and I need a hard edge that it can lean against. In addition to the pins, I don't see how that could cause us any problems. You know, out here there are no codes of any kind as far as this is concerned. So I've just been looking at other people's codes, and you know, this is kind of a unique situation. Nobody's codes really account for this, building on this kind of material. So it's kind of a unique situation, and I'm just... There's nothing wrong with overkill, right? So overkill equals success. It's not very fast though. Probably the weather is too bad. And it'll roar in the cameras. That's what I got done. This vertical crap turned out to be as irritating to jackhammer as it did to blast. I don't know how much of a key is necessary. Just having the foundation flat is a huge step forward. And I got it flat over here. It's flatter over there. The key to keep it from sitting down. This stuff is sharp. Super sharp. I didn't recognize it when I was destroying a set of gloves. Not until my finger popped through. They were brand new. I have those Kevlar web gloves that I like so much, but oh, they make everything so cold. Yeah, it's just me whining again. I had to go home. I still got to go to school and go to work today, so I think that's enough for me.